Fuck, dude, I'm already doing 100. God damn. Yeah, it's right here to our left. Oh, it's probably a vehicle fire. Yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I think I have an app for that. No, it's on our side. I think so. Why? That would be great. Yeah, kind of. What are you gonna do? Whatever. I'm on your right. I'm on your right. Sorry about the smoke. I should put my flashers on. Hang on. I'm gonna hang on. Let me turn on my flashers. Okay. Right behind you. Holy shit, that's on fire. Let me get in front of you. Ooh, careful. No? Yeah, I'm sure they will. Not the cars, but us, yes. Watch the sand here, watch the sand here. Holy shit, dude. I'm the only idiot that's gonna get near that thing. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a fucking accident. Damn. Damn. Oh my god, I hope nobody's in there. Holy shit, she's on the ground. Fucking A. Wow. Nobody's in there, right? Yo, you were behind it?
No. This other dude was. He said they were the starting truck. They were coming around and she was fucking hauling ass and she lost control, dude. Shot across the fucking freeway, pinged off the center divider, and the fucking Tesla hit her, dude. She exploded. I probably came in like a couple minutes after it happened, dude. People were fucking running. I thought there were people stuck, but they got her out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, that is gnarly. There's no people there. They're all out of there. Everybody's out of there. Okay. Oh, I want to stick around and see them turn it off. No, I'm good, dude. Whoa! Oh, explosion! Airbag just went off. Oh, clearly. Hey guys, that engine's still on fire, dude. And they brought the jaws of life and everything out of here. Oh, I got prime footage. I should sell it. Hey, give me the license plate off the Tesla. Alright. Alright, let's go.